Good morning, cheetahs. Today we welcome Ava, Veda, and Omar to lead us in the pledges and school motto. As we move into the pledges, moment of silence, motto, and school song, please remember that we will stand for all of them. Please stand without talking, face the flag, and join us in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Remain standing for the moment of silence. Remain standing while we say our motto in English and in Spanish. Giving our best, expanding our minds, changing our world. Dando nuestro mejor esfuerzo, ampliando nuestras mentes y cambiando nuestro mundo. Please remain standing as Ms. Shalaric leads us in the school song. Sing it loud and proud. After we sing, remember to sit down quickly and quietly. All for one and one for all, confidently hands stand tall, creative minds and seeking hearts, curious right from the start. Cheetah standing strong and bold, we are Chandler of spreading gold. We have responsibilities to the world, to you and me. Our knowledge and integrity give lifelong possibilities. Cheetah standing strong and bold, we are Chandler of spreading gold. Oh, we'll move upward and onward someday. Friendships and memories, they won't fade. Cheetah standing strong and bold. We are Chandler of spreading gold. We are Chandler of spreading gold. Teachers, parents, and students, pay close attention to these important announcements.
Boys and girls, some of our students participated in this year's school spelling bee. It was phenomenal. It was absolutely wonderful. So we would like to recognize every student who participated. So if you were a participant in the spelling bee, can you please stand up? Can we give these students a big round of applause? Okay. If you were a participant, I'd like you to please come forward so that we could recognize you with a medal. Come on up. I have witnessed a lot of spelling bees, but this year, our winners, they went about 22 rounds. We actually had to use words from the dictionary, and it was quite the spell off, wasn't it, guys? Yeah. All right, very good. Well, boys and girls, we are also here today because we did have 2 winners. So Our second place winner was Aiden Kim. Congratulations. Excellent job, we're so proud of you. Great job. And then our first place spelling bee winner for the 2024-25 school year was Oak-Saksham. Congratulations, job well done. Thank you very much.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the impossible shot. Let's congratulate these cheetahs who are caught showing their awesome IB attitudes around the school. Please hold your applause until the list is complete. Cheetahs, that's it for my time on the mic. Thanks for being an awesome audience while I emceed. Let's turn our attention back to Miss Randall's before we start our day. Have a fantastic Friday!